Happy morning, dear children. I hope you all have prepared for your first periodic assessment very well. So, dear children, today, as we all know that we are having our social studies assessment today, right, dear children? And this video is all about understand your question paper. Dear children, don't feel nervous. I know that you all have prepared very well. So now, are you ready to see your question paper? Okay, let's go. So dear children, this is our question paper. Subject Social Studies, Standard 4. So let's first quickly go through all the instructions as they are very important for you to follow, right? So, instruction number 1. Write in clear, neat and legible handwriting. You need to write in a neat and tidy handwriting, right? Number 2. Write the test in answer sheets. You need to write all your answers in an answer sheet, okay? Number 3. Write the following details. You need to write your name, class, date of assessment and subject in your answer sheet, and it should be mentioned in each and every sheet, okay? As you all know that we are checking all your papers through a Photoshop. So you need to mention all your details in it, right? Number 4. Write the questions also in your answer sheet. You need to write each and every question which is there in your question paper with all the answers. Number 5. The photoshots or the PDFs are to be sent before or by 8 p.m. on the day of the assessment itself. Dear children, do not delay. You need to be very punctual about submitting all your assessment sheets, right? And the timings are before or by 8 p.m. So you need to submit your answer sheets to the subject teacher, okay? Now it's time to read and understand the question paper. Here is your question number 1. Tick the correct answer. Dear children, the question will be given to you. There will be 3 options. You need to read the question carefully. You need to go through on all the options and then you have to tick the correct answer, okay? Here are 5 questions in all and each question carries 1 mark. So, the total of this question is 5 marks. Question 1. Which type of electricity is produced with the force of water? Is it hydroelectricity power? Is it air power? Or it is nuclear power? So you need to tick the correct answer and you need to read the question carefully first. Number 2. Which is the biggest human-made lake in India? Is it Guru Nanak Lake? Is it Govind Sagar Lake? Is it Sarayu Lake? So you need to write, you need to tick the correct answer. Number 3. Dash is called a fossil fuel. Is it coal, water or mica? Number 4. Which of the following is a metallic mineral? Coal, gold or petroleum? Number 5. India is world's largest producer of dash. A. Manganese, B. Coal or C. Mica. You need to write that India is the largest producer of dash. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Dear children, your blank number 1 is dash is called the black gold of India. Dear children, you need to go through your textbook while preparing. I hope you have done that. Number 2. India has about 1/4 of the world's dash deposit. Number 3. Minerals are taken out from dash. You know the answer, right? Number 4, dash is also an ore that is used to produce aluminium. Dear children, there are 4 fill in the blanks over here. Each blank carries 1 mark. So the total of our question number 2 is 4 marks. Match the pairs. Easy peasy, right? 2 columns are given over here, column A and column B. You need to match the pairs. And dear children, how you will be doing that? For example, the first one is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. You will be matching it by writing the correct answer in front of it itself. Okay? आप नागार्जुना सागर डैम लिखेंगे. You will put a small dash and उसके सामने ही आप उनका correct answer लिखेंगे. You will not draw lines for matching it. Okay? Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam, gold, mineral oil, Bhakra Nagal Dam, and your column B is Satluj, metallic mineral, non-metallic mineral, Narmada and Krishna. So you will be matching the pairs, the correct pairs. Here each question carries 1 mark. So the total of your question number 3 is 5 marks. I hope you are clear till question number 3. Let's move on to question number 4, which is very important. Answer in 1 sentence. Dear children, you need to answer these questions in 1 sentence only. Means the length of your answers will not exceed to 1 or 2 lines. Okay, dear children? Question number 1. Which is the longest dam of India? You need to write the name of the longest dam. How can you save water at home? Give any 2 ways. You need to write 2 ways that how you can save water at home. Number 3. Write any 3 names of non-metallic minerals. Number 4. How do we use iron on a daily basis? You need to write that how do we use iron in our day-to-day life. Question number 5. Where are the Kolar gold fields located? You need to mention the place where these gold fields are located. Each of this question carries 1 mark. So our total for question number 4 is 5 marks. Last but not the least, dear children, question number 5. Answer in 2 or 3 sentences. Dear children, these are our long answers, so you need to be very careful about what are you writing and what is the exact length of your answer. It must not exceed to 4 to 5 lines, okay? Here each question carries 2 marks. So our total for question number 5 is 6 marks. Dear children, let's quickly go through all the questions. Discuss the uses of petroleum. You need to write any 4 uses. Question 2. What is CNG? You need to write the full form of CNG and how it is formed. Question 3. Suggest 5 methods to save water. You will be writing 5 points that how we can save water. So dear children, here we are done with the video of Understand Your Question Paper. All the very best. Do your best. Bye. God bless you.